Back on it, Dwight Smith. In the corner, reaches up and made the catch!
Oh, is this your cat? No, dude, don't!
Hey, do something cool.
This is my favorite dog challenge. Gasp at your dog and see what they do. Gasp dramatically.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. I own him up.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
你别笑。
Here are 3 pieces of advice from eToro users on how to trade safely during a period of increased market volatility. First, monitor your positions frequently. Next, since market gaps may occur, this is a good time to review your stop loss and take profit. And lastly, for the time being, you may wish to consider trading with lower or no leverage. For more information, join the conversation on eToro, the world's leading social trading network.
Dropshipping is dead, and let me actually explain why. There's a new business model that's literally better in every single way. And what if I told you in this new business model, you could actually start making money as soon as today with no experience, no technical.
最近你挺火呀，火的那是一塌糊涂，你这火的也太大了吧，把我遥控器都火进去了，咋的？又在这搞谦虚呢？
Pumpkin, you're my sweetie pie, you're my cupcake.
Baby, baby, I know. Baby, I love.
If you touch my plant again, No! Thief! Come back! Give me my plant! Give it! No! Mine! Stop! Say back! You're supposed to be an emotional support.
দেখে নিন খেলা দেখাচ্ছে কুত্তারা এই সিধা হয়ে গেল দেখে নাও এটা হচ্ছে
I mean, how many times? How many times are you gonna let him rule your life? That's your bed.
Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my cat. Why does he look like that? What is wrong?
I wonder if I look over, she just hangs. Oh, baby. Oh, let go, baby.
Not one bit.
Guess who's coming to give you kisses? Give you kisses.
Hey yo, chubby cheeks check.
You okay, boy?
What?
Let me show you guys how weird my cat is. So she stays here in front of this all day, just waiting for us to do this. So she can catch the water that falls.
Look, it's my furry friend. I really want to play with her, but after last time, I'm not so sure anymore. Hi, friend, do you want to play? Maybe not.
I was busy thinking about
food, sleep, Chipotle.
I'm not sure that they're all on board with this decision.
Oops, my heart went.
Fuck! I spent $20 on this cute ass bed for my cat. And where does he want to sleep? The sink!
My heart went. I never will forget. My heart went. I never will forget.
Wow.
My heart turned hoop.
I love you. Are you hungry?
Today's cat fact. Cats have the stereotype of not being very emotionally attached to their owners. However, the section of our brain and the section of the cat's brain responsible for emotions are identical. So we're both sociopaths.
Woody.
I was just gonna close this because it looked wrong, but something told me to check inside for this idiot.
Piss, 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 piss.
We're gonna do the whole thing one more time. Follow my step.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
My
searched everywhere. I looked through hundreds of files, searched through my text messages. I even looked everywhere in my wardrobe, but I just couldn't find where I asked for your opinion.